Okay, this golden thunder now, I can wear it on my neck.
Yes.
You no go bite me.
You no bite you.
But in case he bites me.
Small children, if they come excursion.
Small children will come excursion, they wear them.
Yes.
They can't be me, they fear. Go bring them, go bring them. Okay, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. Now play, they play. Today I'm on a farm visit stroke consultation with my favorite guy, Dr. John. He's an expert in poultry practice. What exactly are we going to do, sir? We are going to the snake farm. Yeah, we are heading to the snake farm. Yeah. What are we going to do there?
We want to inspect the farm and check their readiness for reception of birds.
Reception of birds, snake farm. Snake farm. The name of this farm is somehow a guy. Okay, I have a little history with the snake farm anyway. When I was still a copper in Nasarawa, from the Kefi camp, I was posted to the snake farm. So there's this my guy, a friend of mine in camp, Musa. He redeployed to Kaduna. So when he asked me where I was posted to, I said Toko and Toko farm. The first thing he mentioned is that not the snake farm. Upon hearing snake farm, man, I had several palpitations. I had to just bring out my phone to browse Toko and Toko farm, and the first thing I saw from Google was snake farm. So what other things are they doing there apart from snake? Because I wasn't informed properly then, so I was like I was haunted by the thought of snake. That made me start thinking about redeploying immediately to another state entirely. In fact, I don't want to stay in Nasarawa anymore. So what are the things that they do over there?
You know, snake farm, as the name goes anyway, there are snakes there.
Okay.
It's for tourism.
Okay.
You know, and again, it's for research purpose. But however, there are a lot of things that are done there.
Things like
there are poultry farms there.
Okay.
We have the cattle ranch there. Also, we have other animals, not only snake. We have other, feral birds. We have monkeys. We have bamboos. We have a lot of them. A lot of
okay.
In fact, there is a stadium there. There's a football stadium.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
So you are going to see all these things now?
Of course, you'll see them.
that means the snake is just a unit in the farm.
Yeah, it's a unit. It's a unit in the farm.
Meaning it's a very large farm.
Yeah, it's a very large farm.
That means it will be a standard one.
Of course, a very standard farm. I'm the chief veterinary consultant of the farm.
Okay guys, we are going to the snake farm today, and I'm going to be sharing the whole experience with you, and also how a professional poultry veterinarian does his consultation in a farm. So make sure you stick with us, and the video is starting right now. I'm one of his small thing, yeah, they're like tourism. They do tourism here.
Yes.
I build this thing just fine for nothing.
Yes, it's a tourist center.
That here, Tuko farm. Omo, email come here, but I've been the pray, made them just redeploy me sharp. Or made them reject me because oh man, I got miss my allergy at that time. I said, Auntie, I beg, I don't want to go. I did vet, our vets no cover what's it called? Our vets no cover wildlife. You understand? We were just mainly robbing around domestic animals and the rest are.
You were poorly informed. You were all
man.
snakes.
They don't do away.
I'm telling you. Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
How's everything, sir? Very fine, no? Yes. Go to the poultry.
Here we are at the gate, the junior routine check. To here is a well organized place, just not,
of course.
Not all the regular come and enter anyhow. Now this office are good at time. The account office.
Yeah, there's accounts.
Yeah. Now the office are good at time. That time I was like, Male, mom, see, pray for me. This people put me to a snake farm. She was like, I pray I walked to them now. When I came back the next day, they said no, they don't need any copper. So I was rejected. Now at times when you come to a place that is well organized like this, even you say, you guys organize yourself, join, make inquiries about how things are, They say around the fish pond.
Yes.
So fish no dey here now. No?
Fish there.
All of them quiet though.
See the other one.
Okay, now here they feel motion.
This place, that's the greenhouse.
The greenhouse, I mean to say.
Yes. So keep or don't keep.
But no one
They
there.
have, no, they have gone for grazing. See the greenhouse.
Wow.
See there are vegetables there.
If for nothing, the sightseeing, this one are for waiting now.
Trying to do some stuff contest.
Okay. Okay, now they put 3 into this.
Yes.
Maybe it's more standard here.
So when we go further, I will show you other things you need to know about the building.
Okay. Since I'll start this farm visitation every weekend, so I'll be sharing something with you guys. Okay, this is the empty pen.
Yeah, this is where we're going to restock tomorrow. And
Tomorrow?
yes, tomorrow.
Oh, yes.
Tomorrow. So
Let me put the image in here. Let's see. Not keep it here then.
but we will
But it's still necessary.
yes.
Capacity.
1, 2, 3.
4,320.
Capacity, okay.
Filled up.
We filled up.
4,320. 15 rows.
Okay.
I will need I will buy this thing.
You need to clip this thing.
I will buy this thing.
Find the
Doki.
wire.
Abandon what?
Doki.
Yes.
I was thinking in the morning. Then all this place and but then it's making them come. They will clean all this. Look at that. Look for banding wire. Let's look all this. I think I don't banding wire.
There are some farms you enter, you'll be humbled. Right here, I'm humbled. And don't just feel intimidated about the farms anymore. Just see it as an inspiration that there is space for growth, because certainly this farm didn't start like this. It started small, and then it took years anyway. It took years before they got to this level. So if you are a farmer who has a business mindset, just have it at the back of your mind. Growth is the most important thing. One day you get to something bigger, probably you rent a better space or buy a better space and then build a better facility. You get the point? It's already laying.
Yes, it's already laying.
23.
The 3,000 is already laying. But then
Well, you told me there are some that
they will
are.
add up.
Okay.
That one is there. I don't think maybe they're making agreement for that one. But the one that is ready, that I'm sure of, they're doing tomorrow 3,000.
It's inside.
Yes,
Then add there is polythene now.
yes, yes.
Add polythene. But then let's circulate the pipe in there.
But how we need to circulate in this area?
No problem.
See add again.
I'll do it again. I don't mind.
Is it running on now?
You can soak it now till tomorrow. By tomorrow morning you can flush it. Yes. It's better. Let me be sure.
Which breed of birds?
It's Sabron. Sabron.
How old those ones there?
Which one?
The ones there.
I have to check the record.
The need for record keeping.
Yes.
I'm inside one of their penthouses. This penthouse is empty and clean. They're expecting the arrival of point of labels. Actually, the birds have started laying. There are somewhere around their 23rd to 24th week, but they need to check the record to confirm their actual age, because they've already started laying and they are close to their peak of laying. So this is how the structure looks like. Other pen houses are filled up with birds over there, but this one is just the empty one that they've washed. They have about 3 rows of the cage. And that's my friend Dr. John doing his regular consultation. Actually, to me, this poultry is standard, but this middle roll is not really that advisable, because you need complete cross ventilation, and all the birds should get virtually the same amount of the ventilation coming in. But these ones in the middle here somehow are going to suffer what these ones and these ones over there are enjoying. And then another thing about their poultry house here is that they planted these trees over here. Look at these trees. They are well positioned at the middle of each pen house. Well positioned in the middle, and they have this carpet grass over here. The carpet grass is green grass now, so it helps with O2, oxygen, and also in a few years time certainly this will become giant trees and then form shade across the roof of the poultry houses, which is also good for ventilation should in case it comes to another time for heat stress. But I think they experience heat stress. He's been doing it well, bah?
Yes.
Okay, yes. So there is fans, selling fans here.
This is the Fogas one.
Okay.
Yes. This Fogas, there's a pressure pump at the end there. Once we on the pressure,
yeah,
it comes with high pressure and
sprays.
To exit. And
okay.
It gives a
that means
form of dew.
This is the fogger.
Yeah, that's the fogger there.
This one on top of here now.
Yes.
With yellow top.
Yes. So that end there is a one-way fogger.
One-way fogger.
Yes.
But the pressure will make it.
Yes, it
perform like dew.
It comes like a dew, like and this. In a few minutes everywhere gets cool, and the fans helping the fogger system to cool the environment. If you come inside this pen during the heat period, you understand the need for fogger.
If you have the budget, this is a standard poultry that you need to emulate, except this middle row.
Yeah, but it's controlled already with the foggers.
With the foggers and the fans.
Yes, everything is controlled.
Okay.
Yes. But in my recommendation,
yeah,
2 lines per pen.
2 lines per pen, yes, for the cross ventilation.
But this is standard.
Standard somewhere else.
Southeast. This is standard.
That means this can work in Jos now, where there is cold.
Perfectly.
In Jos.
Perfectly. You don't need any.
If you do small illustration, lights there now. Lights there. Let's do small illustration.
You'll see it now.
Okay, this is how the thermal fogger works.
No, it will come.
I mean, they start from down there. Okay, that tap they open.
Close that. Lock the tap. Lock the tap.
Yeah, it they open.
Lock the tap. You can't lock.
And they lock it.
It they open. Hey, make it closer. Wait. You go close the last one now. Okay, on it now.
On it.
Okay, so when they on it here and then on the pump, this is how the fogger works. This one did the stuff here. I can't listen. This is how it works. It sprays water, and due to its mounted on equal distance, it sprays evenly all over the pen house. That means this disinfection now. If you put them inside this thing, use the fogger runner. Disinfect the cages.
Yes.
At least it will touch almost everywhere. Okay, sir, if you offer. Thank you for the illustration. Dr. John is not really that impressed with the level of cleaning they did so far, so he's instructing them to start afresh. The best are coming tomorrow, so certainly some of these guys are not going to be sleeping this night. good 18, there is light, they can walk over the night. Maybe some of them will stay awake, will do the work, while the rest will have to sleep and then do the work tomorrow when the birds come in to attend to the birds. So he's trying to make sure that they will do the second round of cleaning, because they need to get here up and running, very clean and all that. Not that it's that dirty actually, but this is just like the second cleaning is just like the backup to be sure that there is no residue from the previous set. Currently now they are washing their feeders. They are washing them again. So they are allowing disinfected water to flow. Later they will manually do it. The next thing that they are doing is also cleaning their nipple system. The intention is to soak it with isoclor and then high dose of it to leave it in the pipe overnight, and then first thing tomorrow morning get rid of it and flush it with clean water. Hope you're enjoying what you are seeing. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel, or else I won't be posting farm visit videos. It's a win. They've started doing the instruction that Dr. John gave to them. Our mom will go see snake now. This is snake farm. We should see snake. We'll go that side now. It's a snake farm. You won't mention snake farm to the audience and they don't see snake. I should just mention poultry farm now. Hope so. Well, this is what their structure looks like. And the empty pen is their pen 1, where they're expecting this. The pen 2 has already laying this. They look quite young. Okay. These birds don't go far somehow for age.
No, they are. These ones are 50, almost 56 weeks.
50 something. I know, sir. I see one from the body itself. It's supposed to reach like 1 year. As in 56 weeks of laying, I've been from day old.
56 weeks old.
Okay, old. Okay. Wait first, let me go back a little so you appreciate the structure.
So we made our food.
Yeah, I'm coming. This is what the structure looks like from the outside. I wish I had a drone camera to show you the roof. But this is what I was talking about the trees in between. Yeah, these trees are still very young right now, but in the next, say, 3 to 5 years, it will be massive. And then you see the branches covering part of this roof here, and then covering part of this roof here. And also, if you look at this place too, they have trees here. The distance between this penthouse from this penthouse is 25 feet. And then in between, I think somewhere around the 12 feet position, that's where they planted this. Hope you are getting a farm inspiration to shop your poultry farm, or maybe your future poultry farm when you want to go bigger. And also they have this kind of flowers, plus the carpet grass. These guys also play their own roles. O2, oxygen, it helps in the ventilation of the whole premises. Let me take you into one of the penthouses and have this. But first of all, I have to step on their food dip, disinfect where I'm going to be, so that I won't be a source of problem. The only person permitted to visit your farm is a poultry veterinarian. And over here with me is Dr. John. Yeah, see. Okay. Okay, you know, previously we owned the fogger in the empty pen. Now he just wants to show us how the fogger works when the chicken is in. Wow, eggs here.
You regulate the fogger because of the eggs.
The feed, Inko?
No problem.
Okay, the feed now, if new one.
So I picked the eggs.
Okay.
You know, when water splashes on the eggs.
I know, the shelf life. Or maybe you can just ignore it. You can just... I'm trying to be a nice guy here, but who doesn't want to see something nice? This is massive. Okay, they just on the fogger. This is how it works. Where camera come down. Yeah, I'm feeling it. The fogger is spraying the water across, and then the ceiling fan, the fans around is helping blow it around and circulate it. So it's wetting the bed also. Although this is not the time for heat season actually, but I hope you learn something new here. If you off them now, if you off them. Now them get their own feed, but this is the feed. I'm gonna go close to the feed now. Have you then get any bag of feed outside?
No, this is a commercial production.
Commercial production?
But it's chicken on chicken.
Yashiga.
Layers machine. Now that approved. It's a standard quality feed.
Okay. All these birds just resemble. See this one? Looks like one troublesome fellow. This is my troublesome. How many do you guys put in yourself? 3. Okay, you put 3%. Okay. That's okay. That's over standard. From under the, you notice that under the cages are kind of, they're neat. They clean the feces daily. Except today. I'm doing this farm visit is on a Sunday, except on Sunday. That's why here is kind of it's still part of the maintenance of cleanliness in the farm. And theirs over here is top notch. So after cleaning their fowl feces daily, they pack it out and they have a dumper that helps convey it to somewhere there. I don't know if you've seen those guys working there, bagging feces. This is dry season actually. It's easier for them to just bring it out when it's dried and then bag it for sale. Another form of revenue for a poultry farm.
A bag is 4,500.
Hey, that's what we sell it.
Okay, 4,500.
For town side too, now 4,500. But now we're in done for it's supposed to enter 5,000 now. You know, easy for farms to regulate, manage all these things, dry and all those shit. Rainfall, beat them, do this, do that. At the end, they still dry it and bag it.
You can look at those, you can zoom them.
So a bag of this is 100 kg bag. Goes for 4,500 currently within the North Central. I don't know how much they sell it in your location. Feel free to drop it in the comment section so that others will know that there is still a revenue source from this. Okay, those ones are already bagged.
Already bagged. You see the distance between where it is being done and
yeah. But my question, Oga, this one is stick under sun after they don't bag them. Sun go tear the bag now.
No, not at all.
Okay, maybe I must.
You see that truck?
Okay, the truck they pack them.
It's money that take it.
Let me guess. That truck is going to Jos.
Definitely, I think it's from Jos.
Because most of the people buying this thing are from Jos. Yeah, they need it more for the farming.
They are the major buyer.
They are the major buyer around here. Yeah. Even in town, Jos, everyone jingry. And finally, this drainage over here helps drain the water in the feces. You know, the ground is a bit slopey. You won't notice it with naked eye. You just need a plumb to notice that it's a bit slopey. The water there passes through this gutter. All of them over there flows to this chamber. And then there is underground drainage that passes underground out to this place. And then from here it channels down to their sewage. Okay, this is irrigation park.
yes.
Wow, the place is cool as you just enter. Place can't get fine aroma joint. This is supposed to be farm visit too, but I'm having a sweat time.
It's nice.
Oh, I'm having a sweat time from farm visit. So farm visit where they make person tired. We all tired, the vet say you want to go back. Well done, no? Now this next one be this. Then secure them.
That's ostrich.
I didn't go right tolo for that place. What's in the chop? Now your own feed.
Nice feed, yes.
That's one like sand. That one a serious mash. Oh.
Yes.
Wow. It they masher than mash. Now it's how they talk. It they like. Well, maybe not because of the distance. I think say we can
go around, but I need the snake attendant to be there so I can bring them out. You can see.
Oh, what's wrong with you? That bringing out no full away.
I don't know, you have to see them live. You see the snakes.
The one who I will see from the cage, not dead.
No, alive. You can let's go.
Now we've entered this next section. Okay, I told you shit. This one's not peacock. See tortoise, not pigeon now.
This pigeon, yes.
Mon ami come excursion today.
The tortoise.
Tortoise and the old way.
And these ones are small.
Then get the big ones. Chairman, this one a grandpa now. This one is senior you.
I senior me now.
See how they doing it. I say don't tire. If you see anything they meet
Now, this is a python there.
small one.
Yes, small one. This one you can carry it on your shoulder.
You can carry it, not me.
You will carry it on your shoulder.
Nah. So my mama go say, nobody seen you go nuts, go do. But this one that life, okay, it's molting.
Yeah, it's molting.
They come out the skin. Then get bigger one.
Yes.
She this thing then they secured, ba?
Yes.
Wait, no, only this one they inside all this whole place.
No. See the python.
Wait too. No verse. So they have the men's next section.
Yeah, no, this is next section generally.
As in
but
just
different
just these few here.
Yeah, different breeds.
Different breeds of the
this
snake.
one this is the python you are into. This is the python.
Okay, you know, from perception outside now, you think that like just poultry, chicken, all over the pen house, there will be something like snake everywhere.
Everywhere you see snakes.
That's my kind of perception all this while.
No, that shouldn't be.
You know, when they posted me here, and I just the thing that came to my mind, I say, me, snake, farm.
Just like the way 1,000 chicken, there is 1,000 snakes.
Okay, maybe they have like 50 snakes in one room, the same breed. Now the kind of mentality I get from camp was like, oh man, I've one died that day. I rushed down to LGI, I said, please, I want to be reposted. She said, no, you can't. Go to that place that we assigned you. That's your place of permanent assignment. I said, okay, auntie, how can we, how can we by position? So she said, okay, the only solution is if you go there and they reject you, then we will repost you to another place. So I call my mom, see, and mom, see, these people won't kill me for nothing. And carry me go wildlife farm. You say, wait till I remember about that. I say, snake. He say, snake. I say, no. He say, she go pray about it and they go reject me. The day came back, as I just came, he say, no, we don't need coppers. The pastor to have gave us trouble. So they collected it and rejected. I was like, oh man, once your prayer all cool. So these are the snakes. No, I've been saying a snake, I've seen plenty. So I said, calm down.
They have eaten.
Eaten and chop, right?
No.
Chicken.
Yes.
Another snake.
Yes.
Golden tundra. Hey! Ekekuta.
This one is a small one.
A small one. Well, this is not going to feel like mistakenly go outside.
No, it can't go outside.
As in, I use the word mistakenly.
This one will move now. Now watch.
China moose, you don't they do snake language. I beg, no stress yourself.
Most times, once I come and do that, unless it's not.
There's no one here. Okay, there's one.
There is.
Let's say they just tried recently.
That one is viper. And this is viper.
Hi. There's snake here too, no?
Yes.
We never check. We see viper here now.
There's viper here too. This one here.
Okay, viper too. Kasa. Ajuala. So now this kind of thing, person.
There's viper there.
You can see this one.
And that's viper. She's moving.
Now in they breathe this breed.
Yes.
Are you serious? Are that he so? Let me go to that side. China, are you sure that there is no leakage?
Don't worry. You're with me. Calm down.
Now we make this video. He wants to feed the snake just to give it extra. I will eat frog. I will jump inside here. See here. He hide here. Okay, Assam, must you enter inside? Okay. Must you enter inside? Can't we do the dropping in and leaving them there from us? This is like Indian film. Giving them frog. Okay, this golden tundra now, I can wear it on my neck.
Yes.
You no go bite me.
You no bite you.
But in case he bites me.
Small children, if they come excursion.
Small children will come excursion, they wear them.
Yes.
It can't be me, they fear. Go bring them. Okay, calm down. Now play, they play. I beg, I don't get that kind of mind. Please, just bear with me, eh? If you are strong, subscribe to this channel, then I'll bring you to this place. You come and try and prove yourself. Okay, my farm visit is gradually coming to an end. That's Dr. John. I'll be sharing a link to the video of his farm consultation so you can go check it out. And then ask your questions in the comment section. You can recommend a poultry veterinarian within your location to come check out or do a little farm visit to you. But if you stay within the North Central, Abuja, Niger, Nasarawa, Kaduna, you can always give Dr. John a shout out. So I'll be sharing his contact in the description of this video, guys.